Here she goes. There are cat treats in that snow. Yes, there are. And nothing is too difficult, no barrier too high for Becky when it comes to cat treats. Becky Boo. Not getting it, are you, sweetie? Try for an easy one, Becky. No? All right.